Buenas, hello friends! Today we're making Chamorro style Churisos Españot fried rice. If you know, you know, and if you don't, it's a must-try Guam fried rice recipe. Separate 6 churisos. When you open the green bag, remember it used to come in the cans? Your Spanish sausage might have some white mold on it. It's not going to hurt you, it's just part of making sausage. Just grab a napkin, dip it in vinegar, then wipe the sausage. Comes off easy. Cut the sausage into your preferred size. I use a mixture of semicircles. You can make it thin or thick, it's up to you. I also like to cut it into quarters so there's more sausage throughout the rice. And the funny thing about Churisos Españot is that it's made in California, then shipped to Guam. Way back when, we had to bring cans of this from Guam to the States. So many Chamorros living outside of Guam love it. Once it's all sliced, place the sausage in a frying pan on medium heat to melt out some of the fat. Just spread it out and stir the churisos every now and then. It's my favorite meat to use for fried rice. If you grew up on Churisos Españot, it's probably your favorite meat for fried rice too. Just take this sight all in. This is done. Pan searing does release a good amount of oil, so I don't actually like to use the oil to cook the rest of my fried rice, so I'm going to drain this and clean the pan up. Melt 1/4 cup or about 60 milliliters of lard or your choice of oil in a clean pan. And saute a mixture of 2 cups or about 350 grams of diced carrots and celery. Add 1 medium onion that's also been diced. Saute until all the vegetables are soft. Alright, that's ready. I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of lard. Just melt it in. So 6 cloves of minced garlic. And we'll saute it for a minute. Add 8 cups or 1.5 kilograms of cooked long grain rice. It has to be long grain so the rice doesn't clump together. This is 2 teaspoons or 3 grams of garlic powder, a teaspoon or 2 grams of black pepper, and of course the sausage. I don't know about you, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get this Churisos Españot fried rice in my belly. Let's look at that. Oh. So good. Got to change spoons and we're almost done. I always tell people the thing about Chamorro style fried rice is that we use a lot of meat and eggs, and that way it's a whole meal on its own. This is a 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters of soy sauce, a 1/2 stick or 57 grams of butter. I know it already has a lot of fat, but butter adds a good flavor. Let me cut this in half. And then just continue to fold this in and incorporate it. Oh, this looks so good. I can't even already. So 6 scrambled eggs. Just fold and chop the eggs into the rice to combine it all. Don't mix it too much or it's gonna get clumpy again. There we go. All right, it's all done. Thanks so much for hanging with me. I hope you try this recipe for Chamorro style Churisos Españot fried rice. And remember to check out my other Guam food videos. Oh, let's try it.